To that. Should we be expecting some new regulations by the end of the Trump term?
I think you're going to see a lot of good news for crypto by the end of the Trump term. Some of it's going to have to do with banks connecting to blockchain. Some of it's going to be more clarity around the nature of these assets. So believe me, there's going to be very positive messages coming out. At the same time, it's a dangerous world out there. We have to be honest about that. But nobody's going to ban Bitcoin. Nobody's going to ban some of these transmission technologies. I think it's going to be a lot less bad than people worry about.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those two books are mandatory, especially coming into 2021. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. Now, of course, guys, we're going to get into Bitcoin and cryptos first, which, guys, is going to be a very, very important week coming up, and of course, this weekend. We know that we're the only games in town, but what I went over time and time again, the Fed is pumping the cryptos and is pumping the stock market. We know liquidity has been cut about $175 billion. So it's not a lot of money. As you can see, the stock market doesn't go up a lot, even though it's already maxed out. And of course, cryptos, you see the volume. Remember, guys, the indicators. The volume, XRP, and stable coins tell you where the market is going. And it's telling us that the market is going down. Now, we know that they need what? They need Bitcoin on the 5th. So we may take a little increase. It's not going to be big, guys, because we don't have that same liquidity. It's already out there. It's already there. It's already baked into the numbers. When we saw the Ethereum launch, it's already baked in. Same way when we look at the stimulus package. It's already baked into the stock market, guys. It's already baked in. That's the reason why we had low employment numbers today and the stock market still went up. It's already baked in. So when they announce it next week, the stimulus package, stock market is not going anywhere. We're going to have a correction in the stock market and in cryptos, guys. Remember, I told you. And we're already seeing that correction now. But we will get a little pump just because they need Bitcoin on the 5th. And then, of course, we're going to head lower after that. But just like I said, make sure you're staying focused on the indicators. That is volume, XRP, and, of course, stable coins. Now, guys, we have a lot of big news that came out in crypto. And we see these same hands, the same banks controlling the system. Now, we have Citibank that came out and said they're helping governments across the globe help build and commercialize digital currencies. Also, we had Stripe working with Goldman Sachs, Barclays, Citigroup to help create banking services and creating checking accounts. So, guys, we definitely see the train is moving. It's already has taken off. Now, we have Spotify comes out and says they're getting ready as far as with hiring and staffing for Facebook's Diem and other cryptocurrency payments. And guys, you all know that I've been talking about Facebook Libra forever. I said they're working in the background, same way I keep talking about Bitcoin Lightning. Because the fact is that Facebook already has just about everybody on their platform. Everybody either has Facebook or Instagram. They already have everybody on their platform. So they already have the platform to introduce these cryptocurrencies. And once they start advertising, guess what? The world is going to know about it. And they already have the marketplace where they can start integrating, different employment tasks or hiring. I mean, is this going to be out of this world? But also, guys, as you see in the video, we have Brian Brooks, of course, saying that, of course, DeFi is the new banking and that it's going to be, good news as far as what the end of the Trump administration. Now, don't forget, guys, we also have a lot of Yearn Finance mergers going on. And remember, Brian Brooks always state that DeFi is the new banking. So definitely, guys, the whole game is changing where everything is going to be on your phone. The brick and mortar banks are out. Everything is going to be on your phone. We see the C word is this accelerating all of this. It already was going to happen, but we see the C word is definitely accelerating the fourth industrial revolution. Now, we see the SEC is spinning off the fintech to an independent office. So basically it's going to be FinHub. even though the SEC wasn't doing a lot anyway when it comes to the actual fintech. We also have S&P Dow Jones is going to be launching the crypto index next year. So guys, we definitely are going to see crypto in the faces of people. That's how you get the masses. Just put it in their face. Image is everything. We know that cryptos are the future, and 2001 is going to be that foundation. Now we have Coinbase, Genesis, and BitGo in talks with Wall Street, the biggest banks, about crypto custody. Now guys, why are they in talks with them? This is what I don't get. Because if Coinbase can provide custody for all these institutions, why can't they provide custody already for us? That makes no sense whatsoever. Remember, guys, their job is to take your money because custody easily can provide for us. If you can do it for a big institution, that means you definitely can do it for us. They want you to lose your money. Don't ever forget about that. Now, we have Bitflyer trading volume breaks records during the Bitcoin rally, and we saw everybody breaking records, Binance, everyone, Coinbase. Now, we have an old topic coming up in Ripple saying that the company could be forced to burn $48 billion in XRP. But as like I said, that was a topic back in 2019, so definitely don't keep your focus on that. Now, basically, we have the United Nations has released a blockchain-powered solution to help the Afghan government as far as what property is concerned. So, guys, we definitely see the blockchain. Everybody agrees that blockchain is going to change how we do things. Of course, crypto, they were talking against crypto because they didn't want you to buy it to make money. But now we're seeing everything come to the light. Now in DeFi, guys, we have Polkadot launch DeFi Alliance with Chainlink and will let 1,000 nodes bloom. So guys, definitely we know Chainlink is going to be a big piece of this puzzle. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. But Chainlink is definitely a great buy. Now we had some very interesting news comes out, guys. We have Genesis Block, of course, the Hong Kong OTC acquires the OMG network. Now don't forget that also OMG is attached to Tether. So guys, make sure you're keeping your eye on that. And then lastly, guys, we have Jack Ma's Ant Group and 3 other digital banks get the okay to operate in Singapore. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, the links are at the bottom. Also, the book links are at the bottom. Also, guys, your stocks, don't forget about the stock channel, guys. It's very, very important. You have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. And while everybody's sitting at home, don't forget about the at-home stocks, the C word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's sitting at home, getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.